I made this Ume Jam and it's better than buying. Stick around so you can copy my father-in-law's way of making Ume Jam. We will use 1 kilo and 700 grams of ripe ume and about 1 kilo and 360 grams of zarame. First, wash the plums and then soak the plums for 4 hours. This is very important. After 4 hours, wipe each plum with a clean kitchen towel to dry them.
No. Ne. ちょっと。ね、め。ね、わ、美味しそうな匂い。
From here, we are going to take out the seeds, but not all of these, just half of this amount. The ratio is very important for this jam, so here is the ratio. If your ume or plum is 100%, your sugar that you're going to use here is about 80%. I will put it in the description. Again, this is very important. You need to take out the dark spot on top of the plum or trim it off, okay? You don't want to include that in your jam. Now we are going to start to cook the jam. Use the lowest heat to wait for the sugar to melt and be careful not to burn the jam. Now we are going to simmer this for about 10 minutes in low heat. This is my father-in-law's Ume Jam recipe, and this year it is my turn to make it for them. When you see liquid, slowly increase the heat. The heat should be in between low and medium. Stir from time to time. So this is the hardest part in making jam. You have to mix it a lot of times. We will simmer this in about 25 minutes more until the fruit melts. You will see that the liquid is still watery, but it will become sticky later. Just don't forget to stir from time to time. It is very important. Now, when it's a little bit sticky, we're going to take out the seeds. Now, we cook it this way because the fruit around this seed is so delicious. My children love them. If you like your jam to be stickier, then cook this a little bit more until the water evaporates a little bit. But I like it this way because you can use it as jam or as juice like this. After cooking, cool, put in a container. You can keep this for 6 months. Again, please read the description for more information. Friends, if you like to learn more about easy Japanese recipe, please like, share to your friends and family, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Happy cooking!